Come on, guys, we have to get this done.
Then get it done.
We only have 2 weeks left.
I don't care. I'm going pro.
Got plenty of time.
Oh, good luck with the project. My agent calling.
You serious?
I'm never gonna get this done.
You'll figure it out.
How much is they offering? 15 million for 4 years? Yes! I'm about to be rich! Yes! Quick, the elevator! Quick, the elevator! We gotta get the hell out of here! Ah!
Ha ha ha!